On this episode, we head to Macon, Georgia to the Chefs and Spirits Extravaganza that brings awareness to childhood hunger, right here on Georgia Eat, Explore, and More. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified when we upload a new video.
Alright everybody, I'm Chef Jernard Wells, one of the co-creators of the Chefs and Spirits Festival, brought to you by Geico and the Middle Georgia Community Food Bank. And really what it's about is showing the city of Macon and beyond what we can do with food and raising awareness for childhood hunger. That's the biggest thing, is No Child Should Be Hungry, the backpack program. And the initiative is taking a perspective from me as being a chef and showing people how we can take that talent and spread it beyond. Because so many people think that when you hear food bank that, they don't have anything good. Man, you'll be amazed, especially what the Middle Georgia Community Food Bank has. As a matter of fact, it's the largest food bank in the state of Georgia, serving over 24 counties. And what I did with the Chefs and Spirit Festival, by the way, it's gonna be an annual thing. I bring chefs in from all around the world and Macon to highlight them, and they actually take food from out of the food bank and around Georgia and create these unique dishes for everybody to experience and just showcase their skill and talent while raising money and awareness for a cause that's near and dear to me. I know how hard it is for a lot of people just to put food on their table. And one of the things we deal with is not that they're just necessarily less fortunate, but what we have is what's called the working poor. You work every day of your life, but you still struggle to put a decent meal on your table. And that's where the food bank comes into play, is being there to be that safe haven. Also, kids who go to school, they eat lunch, they eat breakfast at school, but when they get home, they don't even know where their next meal is gonna come from. On the weekends, they don't know where they're gonna get their next meal until that Monday when they're back at school. That's where the backpack program comes in. And we've had so many people to come in and actually just show support, show love. We have amazing people. We have a phenomenal baker by the name of Rashawn McDonald. A lot of you guys may know him. He's an Emmy award-winning producer, but he also bakes also as well. So it's a toss-up on which one is better. We got Chef Elliot Farmer also from Cutthroat Kitchen. We got Mark Levine from Forbes magazine, 30 under 30 here as well. We got Chef Romance, so it's about to go down, guys. We got Danny Rose, actually she's a juke joint chef. I can keep going on and on. So if you are watching this, that means that you missed it, or either you wanted to get a recap. So guys, definitely stay tuned, because the Middle Georgia Community Food Bank, we got more coming.
My name is David Griffin, I'm the Executive Director. I just want to say thank you to all the sponsors who are here today. And we really appreciate everything. Really thankful for Geico and all that you're doing. I actually had the chance to see the gate car in the freezer yesterday, laying on the pallet. That was a wonderful thing. And I hope to have a lot of fun. I know we have some dancing people out there that can get down. So we're going to have a little contest. I would do pop lock and all that, but I don't want to do that. Somebody shame. I wasn't going to bring Silk up here, but I know he like to do Charleston and all that kind of stuff. Nobody wants to see that stuff right there. So without further ado, I'm going to digress. We have a dynamic, outstanding chef here today by the name of Jernard Wells, Cutthroat Kitchen twice. Comeback Kitchen. I can't say enough about this young man, and I'm sure you're going to see what I'm talking about when it comes to the stage.
I want to thank everyone who has been a contributor, who has donated their time, their monetary efforts. I want to thank all the chefs that came, and I hope you all are enjoying some of the cuisine that we have out here. We have Danny Rose, which is juke joint. She's going to come up here later on, and she's going to actually show you guys how to do these fried biscuits, like an apple peach cobbler kind of crazy thing. We have Amelia Payne, catered by Payne, over here in the corner, who has some amazing dishes that she's done. She has that Caribbean influence going on. We have Chef Elliot Farmer also from Food Network over here in the corner. He's got a shot, so we're gonna make him talk. Get up. Today I'm making a chicken Florentine. First I saute my bacon so I can run it down in bacon fat. And then I add my corn and my spinach. And then I add the white wine to it to give it that kick. Then I'm gonna add my bacon. So what we have here, we have a chicken breast. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just salt, pepper, this chicken breast. Give it a nice rub down. You got to make love to it real good. I guess that's the romance side of it. You talking about rubbing down his chicken and making love to his chicken and all that. Flip my chicken over. Now that's a beautiful sear right there on that chicken breast, guys. So I'm gonna let that cook. I usually try to flip it when I'm cooking it every 2 to 3 minutes so it'll cook even. You know, sometimes you get that chicken breast and it's tough. That's because it's not being cooked even. And you gotta let your chicken breast just like you do any other protein. They are cabinet and refrigerator cookers. Tomatoes in there as well to give it color. You want to always have your food to have color and height as a chef. And typically you can determine a fruit and what part of the body that a fruit, how well grapes. We talk about how well grapes help.
Today we are going to be making fried whiskey peach cobbler. On the count of 3, we're going to say it. 1, 2, 3.
Sucked up.
Sucked up, baby. We're going to deep fry some canned biscuits that we have. Somebody said, yes, praise God. We got some canned biscuits that we're going to deep fry, and I got my oil already nice and hot. And what my good friend Elliot did over there was he added a little bit of butter to the oil. What I like to do is if you really want people to feel like you've been taking a long time slaving over the stove and making your cobblers and stuff, all you got to do is let your butter brown just a little bit. Okay, yeah, you see? She over there, she said, yeah, girl, you can fool him. He ain't gonna know. He gonna think you've been in there all day. Put you some cute little heels on and be like, look what I've been doing. Ain't did nothing.
No.
Juice and everything. Don't strain nothing. Woo. All right. I still got my eyelashes.
She can't move that fast with them heels on.
Now I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice because we want our neck to snap. And we need a little bit of tartness to balance out all this sweetness.
Citric acid.
Right. So we're gonna add just a little bit of cinnamon to that. How many people use nutmeg in theirs?
Now I don't know if you guys can smell this, but as it's starting to caramelize and reduce, this really smells amazing and looks great.
And then we're gonna add just a few more pecans, if you wanna be bougie.
Then you gotta hold your finger when you say that way, pecans.
In the pecans, I can't do that because there may be some AKAs in here. AKAs. All right, then we got fried peach cobbler with fried brown butter whiskey peach cobbler. All right, there we go, y'all.
Give it up for Chef Danny Rose.
Yeah. And this recipe can be found in my cookbook over there. Well, it's actually online at stovetopkisses.com because I ain't got time to do all that shipping, y'all. You can go on my website, stovetopkisses.com.
As we see in Miller, Georgia, the hunger is great. You see that from birth to 5, he has like 52.5% here in Macon, and Hawkinsville is 58.5%. It just overall across the board, child hunger is very prevalent here in Miller, Georgia.
My name is Aaron Smith. I'm 11 years old. I've been cooking for about 4 or 5 years now, and it's been an amazing experience. I started out kind of helping my mom in the kitchen, and then helping my dad, and then kind of helping a lot of the people in my family. And then I realized I actually had a passion for cooking, and that's when they started letting me cook alone and venture for myself to the point where I got today.
Yeah, I see he's putting a little salt on his steak, so he's keeping it the rustic way, just a little salt and pepper, huh?
Yeah.
Right here we go. So we got our asparagus. Bell peppers. So we all add it. And this is for the succotash or your steak?
This is for the succotash.
Okay. Okay. Then we got our corn here, huh? So he has some nice little shaved kernels. He has a nice ribeye. Yes, it is looking good there. Look at him, he's turning it so gently. He's just turning it with finesse. Oh, that has a nice good color. Let me show the audience how beautiful this looks here, guys. That's how you want to have that nice good sear on the side of it. Looks good, smells good.
I feel like plating is the most important part of the dish, other than making sure your steak isn't raw. And you really want to make sure that it looks good, because people aren't going to want to eat it if your dish looks like, you know, you just put it up, threw it on a plate. You want it to look really nice, and you know, you want to make it seem like you care about the people, even if you don't. You want to make it seem like. Follow Awesome Aaron Smith on Instagram, because you know, why not?
Rolling Voice blazing 92.3, and we are here at Chefs and Spirits Extravaganza with my man, Awesome Aaron Smith. You know you're the man, right? Straight off the platform. You do. I love that. Yes, you are. But you straight off the platform, and you whipped up a steak for like a room full of people.
I did.
You gave away some of your secret strategy. You did. That whole thing about how to keep it tender, and you said that the seasoning becomes one with the meat. I like that. It's like a relationship or something.
Yes.
A friendship.
Yes.
Yes. So tell the people here what was that you prepared? What do you call that? Your what steak?
It was my ribeye steak, and I sauteed it with a little bit of onion, and also put some butter in the pan too. I made sure to season it on all sides, so that way, you know, the seasoning comes into the meat. You don't want to season it after, because then the seasoning is just sitting on top of it. Whereas before, if you cook it, then it will really become one with the meat.
All right, guys, that was the chef experience out here in Macon, Georgia. Really good event. It's really nice to see all these Hollywood people out here. But coming out here for a good cause, and that's feeding the children of Macon, trying to end childhood hunger. So next year when they have this event, make sure you come down here to Macon and support a good cause and eat some good food while you're at it. So we had a fun time, guys. We love you. We'll see you back at home. Congratulations to Eliza Catering's Chef Linwood Kennedy on his golden ticket. See you at the World Food Championship. All right, guys, that was Chefs and Spirits Extravaganza, organized by the Middle Georgia Community Food Bank and Chef
Jernard Wells.
Yes, celebrity chef, woohoo, yes. Awesome event. I'll put it this way. Love the concept, love the cause. Really good cause, feeding hunger. Here's the issue. The event was too long. I think 7 hours is a little bit too much. So just a suggestion, maybe next year, figure out a way to make the event shorter. You still have all your demonstrations, but make it shorter, because it did seem a little bit long, and after a while, it got a little bit tiring staying around. But other than that, it was a really fun event. Great food, great vendors. We highly recommend you come out there and support a good cause, and you get to meet some famous people. Can't beat that. So we have merch at our merch store, eatexploremore.com/merch. Check out our merch. Still haven't put up those new canvases yet. That will be coming soon.
Super busy.
Really busy editing all these videos. It's crazy right now.
Reach out to us on social media. You can suggest new places for us to visit, festivals, places to eat. We always enjoy those, of course. But definitely reach out to us. Like and share our video. Subscribe.
Yep, you guys are awesome.
Bye. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.